Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ness. Today I'm gonna do a quick sneaker review from Nike, the AirMax 2021. Also, I create 3 different looks to go with these sneakers. I think this is one of the best Air Max that released from Nike for this year compared to the Nike Air Max pre-day. This Nike Air Max 2021, one of the best released so far from Nike. The design is very minimalist. That's what I like about. Also, they have a lot of great detail on this sneaker. So let's get closer look on the shoes. This is the closer up on the Air Max 2021. I really like these shoes, especially the colorway on these shoes. It's kind of lean more forward into the woman's colorways, in my opinion. But I see there's a lot of crazy cool detail on this Air Max 2021, like the zigzag stitch on the eye stay, the eyelet, and another zigzag stitch on the lace stabilizer, the webbing. This is really cool. I really like this you throw in the material that they use on the tongue, and as well as another webbing at the eye stay here. Really nice. I really like this. There's a lot of potential on a color blocking on this actually. On the upper is have the padded, very comfy here, and the shoes is actually very bouncy. The sizing true to size, I have no issue wearing these shoes. There's a lot of crazy detail underneath of the upper as well. You see, they look like another like more like chemistries, a map or something like it's really cool underneath. I don't know what is this, but more like the hidden detail on this. The design that when you turn 360, it's telling a story. Really like that, especially the asymmetrical design that I always looking forward into explore the shoes when I hold it on my hand. And you go to the medial side, there a piece of synthetic leather. For the art support, they have the word Nike Air Max, I think, and also the heel counter is asymmetrical compared to the other side. Pretty cool, and the detail that I really didn't expect to see it. I kind of missed the detail that the hot melt dot on create the mud guard around the toes. I kind of missed that, but when I have the shoes on my hand, I see that detail. I think it's really nice. Like something like you don't see it on internet on their website, but you see it in person. It's kind of blow your mind a little bit, you know. And also the insole, they have more like that concept is zero, something that's zero. That's why you see a lot of circle on the Air Max pre-day, and as well as this the Air Max 2021. So even the box that they have that logo like from the insole of these shoes Air Max 2021. It's just kind of very creative logo. I really like this. A lot of Nike logo create the circle like zero circle. That's pretty cool. That's very interesting. I really like to see that creative side. I'm more into the creative side of the design than the hype design, like the hype products, in general. Love this airbags right here. Look very futuristic, especially like you see a lot happen, like negative space here. And in the back, you can tell off the bat that they inspire from the Air Max 95 outsole. You can see it, but just making expanded this kind of midsole a little bit, create separate the airbag and the midsole. That's really cool. I really like this concept. It look futuristic, go to the outsole. It's not really interesting. It's just remind me of this repeated pattern like a coffee beans or the screws.
not really well thought compared to the upper, how they do the color blocking and the detail on the upper. On the outsole is just a little bit disappointed to look at, you know. But overall, the shoes are pretty good and comfortable, bouncy. The pricing is pretty good too. But I would wait for it on sale to pay for the Nike products. That's what I usually do. I only wait for it on sale. I never pay full price with Nike products in general. So there you go. This is my review on these Nike Air Max 2021. Up next, I'm gonna share with you guys how I personally like it. Just
there you go. This is my review on the Nike Air Max 2021. And what you think about the look that I create to go with these shoes? Comment below in the comment section. And I will see you soon on the next video.